Today we're here to talk about market share. It's the big one, the final score at the end of the game. But market share has been around for a while. What makes market share in shopper analytics so much different?
Yeah, the definition of market share in shopper analytics is not necessarily what brands are used to. We're able to slice by channel, by retailer, by geography, and a couple others, ultimately getting to who is our shopper.
All right, let's take a look at the data. For today's example, we've pulled up Bearbells, one of the fastest growing brands in the US. Immediately when you look at shopper analytics in the market share section, you'll see that we have data across all retailers, both online and in store, but there's an opportunity to filter to both of these. So let's take a look at the in-store data. As I click on in-store, I can actually see that Bearbells started online, but has recently launched in-store. And from about April of this year, they've gone up in market share from 1% all the way to 10%. So let's actually unselect that filter and instead start scrolling down the page to start to understand why. Beatrix, I know our customers have constantly asked us for more ways to slice and dice the data. Can you start to go through some of these different ways?
Sure. The first one is sales by retailer. Being able to break out market share by specific retailers gives us deeper insights into brand strategy and maybe how this brand is growing really rapidly. Bearbells is a great example. You can see they had an Amazon-first approach and have just recently launched in Walmart and Target for an in-store presence.
As we continue to scroll down the page, you'll see that Bearbells' market share is split evenly across all community types, suburban, urban, rural. But as you continue to scroll down, you will see this concentration of sales within the Southwest region. So that's interesting from the perspective of perhaps personalized marketing, understanding what your brand image is in that space, understanding distribution, strategy, or availability. And as you continue to scroll down, you'll see a different set of cuts of data. What are some of these?
Yeah, this is where we get into the demographic data. We can look at sales by gender. Bearbells primarily has a female audience purchasing their products. And if we scroll down further, we can see that these shoppers generally have a higher income.
So we've got primarily female shoppers, higher income, and from a persona perspective, I actually see that the number one persona type here is fun in the sun, which is something that I like to have as well. And that corresponds to the high concentration of shoppers in the Southwest region. And so this is an important aspect from a personalized marketing perspective, thinking through your distribution strategy, availability, understanding what your brand image is in the Southwest region versus other regions in the United States. As you can continue to scroll down, you'll also see it by age. And you'll see that for this brand in particular, they're actually faring pretty well across all age groups except those who are slightly older. So all of these characteristics and attributes combined really tells a comprehensive and complete story of market share for this brand. And we can tailor some of our strategies to be based off the data we see here. Thanks so much for learning about market share. We're going to continue to expand and build on market share in shopper analytics, and we'll hope you join us for the journey.